Alright, so I know I'm not the only female that does this, but look. The hair on the wall. Yes, I do that, but I have a good reason. Our apartment's bathtub drain sucks, and it gets clogged so easily. So I put the hair on the wall and then later collect it and throw it away. But I found a resolution for that. So this drain buddy not only is a drain stopper, but a hair catcher. So you can like plug the drain and make it a bathtub, and it will also catch the hair. I already took that out, so we just need to put this in there. I know you can already see all that hair in there. Oh my god, that's disgusting. Now remember, I put all the hair that I like pull out of my hair onto the wall. So all that is just hair that just falls out. I don't have anything to clean that yet, so I'm just gonna put this in just to show you how it looks, but then take it out to clean that. So that's how it is when it's, you know, not plugging the drain, and then you just push it down for it to stop it. And then you just fill the bathtub and it doesn't drain. But y'all need to go get this because this thing is going to be a lifesaver.